You guys are welcomed back to our today's class. In our today's class, we are going to be looking at how to calculate your GP. First, what is GP? Your GP means your grade points. As a student of any higher institution, be it a monotechnic, polytechnic, or a university, the first thing you must know as a student is how to calculate your GP, your grade points, and your cumulative grade point average. So we are going to be looking at, in today's class, we are going to be looking at how to calculate your GP so that you can set a target for yourself. Because without setting a target, you can never hit a target. In our previous video, I told you the 5 key things you need to do in order to come out excellently. Now, today, one of the major things I want you to first of all know before you start or resume lectures, or even if you have resumed lectures already, one of the things I want you to go back to know is how to calculate your GP so that you know what you are going to graduate with at the end of the day. Okay, quickly, let's go straight to what we have. But before then, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, subscribe, fast, click the like button and share this to all your friends in the higher institution. Share to them. Okay, I'm going to be using SLT department as a case study for today's class. For instance, you are a fresher in the polytechnic or higher institution, and we are using, like I said, we are using SLT as a case study. There's what they call student handbook. So if you have done all your departmental clearance and all of that, you are going to be given a student handbook. So we are using SLT department as a case study. If you have gotten your handbook, you go to page 33, you are going to see this table. This table is called grade point table. This grade point table tells you the score range, it tells you the letter grade and the grade point. Like I said earlier, the maximum result you can actually obtain in a polytechnic setting like Delta State Polytechnic or Tefiogara, which is our focus for today, is 4.00. No matter what you write, no matter how you do it, this is the maximum you can come at it. And you can achieve this if you obtain in all your courses, you score 75 and above. So quickly, for instance, you are offering 5 subjects. Let's say, for instance, in your first semester, you are offering 5 subjects. Let's say mathematics, and you are offering English, you are offering biology, you are offering chemistry, and physics. Let's say, for instance, you are offering these 5 courses in your first semester ND1. Now, before we proceed, there's what we call course units. Each of these courses has what we call course units. A number is allocated to each of these courses, and that number is called course unit. In your handbook, you're also going to see each of the courses and the units allocated to each of them. Let's take, for instance, this is the course you are offering, and the units. Let's say for mathematics, for example, is 2 units, English 2 units, biology, let's say 1 unit, chemistry 3 units, physics, let's say 2 units. So if you want to calculate your GP, the first thing to do is to sum up these total units. So when you sum it up, you're going to be having 2 plus 2 will give you 4, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 3 will give you 8, plus 2 will give us what? 10. So this will give us a total course unit of what? Of 10 as our total course unit. Then, what do you do next? Let's assume you wrote your first semester exam And at the end, your result was pasted. And in mathematics, the result that was pasted is showing that you scored, let's say you scored 70. Like you scored 70, or let's assume, I want to be positive in this calculation, that you scored 76. This is 75 and above, so 76 is here. So what you will do, check this place. What is the grade point? 4.00. So you now use this 4.00, multiply the cost unit. So in mathematics, you scored 76. You come to the table, this is 75 and above, so 76 is here. So you now trace 4.00, use it to multiply 4.00. Hope that is clear. Okay, let's proceed. English, let's say you scored 62. You come to your table. Where is 62? This is 60. This is 64. So this range, it means 62 is here. So you now trace it to this side. It means you scored what? The grade point is what? 3. So you use this 3 to multiply the course unit. Then in biology, you continue like that. Maybe you score something like 40. This is 40. You check it. Here is 2.00. So use 2.00 to multiply 1. Then chemistry, let's say in chemistry you scored 65. Or let's say 62. 62 is here. That is 3.00 multiplied by 3. Then the last one, physics. Let's say you scored 75. It's also here. So this is times 4.00. What will you now do next? The next thing to be done is to multiply. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 2 times 3 will give us 6. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 2 times 4, this is 2 times 4 will give us 8. Please don't be confused. 2 times 4.00 is the same thing as 8.00. Don't be confused. This is the same thing as 6.00. This is the same thing as 2.00. This is the same thing as 9.00. And this is the same thing as 8.00. So the next thing after this multiplication is to sum up this. Sum up this. 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 will give us 33. So after you have sum up this, you have 33. So the next thing to be done is 33 divided by the total cost unit. So you have 33 divided by 10. What we have there?
3.30.
3.3. Just gave me 3.3. The same thing as 3.3 was 0. So this is the GP of this particular student that scored this in the first, the second, or whichever semester it is. So this is how to calculate your GP for the semester. This is how to calculate your GP for the semester. So for instance, you got 3 points, just like what we did now, you got 3.30 in your first semester in the 1. Then second semester in the 1, you got 3.20. Then your ND2, National Diploma 2, you got 3.40. And maybe in second semester National Diploma 2, you got 3.50. How do you now calculate the GP you are going to be graduating with, your graduation GP, which is also known as cumulative grade point average? Is to add up these 4 GP. Add it up. 3.30 plus 3.20 plus 3.40 plus 3.50.
13.4.
13.4 divided by how many semesters? 4 semesters divided by 4.
3.35.
3.35. This becomes your CGPA, which is known as cumulative grade point average. So you are leaving the school with 3.35 CGPA. So for a student that obtained all of this will be your graduation GP. And this, when you look at this, you ask yourself, so am I an upper credit student, a lower credit student, a distinction student, or past student, or did I fail? You now come back to your grade point table. Check 3.35. Where is it? This is 2.00, 2.25, 2.50, 2.75, 3.00, 3.25, 3.50. It means you are here, between here and here. There's a table I'm going to drop at the description of this video. That table is going to be telling you the categories of results that you can actually leave this institution with. So make sure you check the description of this video, and there you will see the table, and you'll be able to know the breakpoint you are leaving the institution with. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful enough, please share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues, your classmates. If they are in the 1, they are in the 2, they are in the 1, they are in the 2, make sure you share this video to everyone. And like, subscribe, and drop your comment. Thank you very much. This is Despo Exam Success Tips channel. See you in our next video. Thank you very much.